Welcome to Towpedia. In this week's video, we will show you guys the best tow hitch bike racks out there in the market. The enjoyment of cycling is quite harder to describe than to feel. The gentle breeze over one's skin and dopamine release in the bloodstream probably makes it that great. If you are a cyclist, you would like to take your favorite bike everywhere, from the shores of sensuous seas to the wooded mountains. Well, I've chosen to give you a list of the best tow hitch bike racks. Number 1, SWAGMAN XC2 Hitch Mount Bike Rack. Let me start with a classic one first. Meet SWAGMAN XC2 Hitch Mount Bike Rack. This is one of the lightest bike racks on my list regarding weight, features, and money. When you compare it with the other products in the same price range, it's one of the best. Let's start with the design first. It has a classic platform-style design with two bike holding capacities. The platform rod and standing arm both have a straight look. The item can carry 70 pounds in total and 35 pounds for each platform at most. So, if you have plans to work with heavier or bigger bikes, you have to be a little more detail-oriented. This rack packs two pairs of tire stands. These are adjustable to different lengths for placing a wide range of bike frames. It fits tires up to 2.5 inches wide, and the wheel range goes from 20 to 29 inches diameter. The only negative side would be the missing tire straps here. These babies provide extra support to the bikes and brighten the security. They also minimize jerking. The product comes with both a 1.25 and 2-inch shank. You can choose either one depending on your hitch's receiver. This is all about the SWAGMAN XC2. It's an overall good product to get by. Number 2, Quad Sherpa 2.0. Since we are in the top league, the products aren't made of alloy steel now. It's time for the OG, standard aluminum. Aluminum construction not only makes it super strong but also makes it very light in weight. For this reason, it only weighs 32 pounds. It can hold on to an overall maximum weight of 80 pounds and 40 pounds per stand. The item might not be able to transport heavy mountain bikes, but it can hold bigger ones. This time, there are no wheel loops for the tires. Instead, everything's on two separate platforms. Each of these has an adjustable wheel tray to hold the bottom of your bike. Two ratchet straps are there to provide extra grip on the wheels. When it comes to the wheel range, it goes from 20 to 29 inches. Like most other bike racks, this one comes with a 1.25-inch and 2-inch shank. You have to spend around $650 to get one of these. Number 3, THULE Easy Fold XT2. The third product on my list belongs to THULE. It's another well-known company that manufactures the most premium bike racks. Let me introduce you to its Easy Fold XT2 bike rack. Again, it has two bike space. Since we're talking about high-end, the build quality is top-notch too. The whole platform, vertical bars, hook handles, and tire board are made of aluminum. The overall build is superb, probably the best in the market. So great that it can carry up to 130 pounds of weight. This means each ramp can take bikes of up to 65 pounds. The Easy Fold can transport bigger bikes too. The maximum wheelbase size it can is 3 inches, which is massive. These are adjustable for different bike frames. But the best part is these can hold on to any bike rod. It should relieve you if you want to transport a women's, child's, or special bike. Because you don't have to buy a frame adapter. The whole bike rack is foldable in different ways. Now, a negative side to finish off. Well, it's damn expensive. You'll have to pay more than $1,000 to get one. Number 4, THULE T2 Pro XTR. The fourth product also belongs to the THULE. The previous one may be overwhelming for some of you. For this reason, I brought a less premium and less expensive THULE T2 Pro XTR. Yes, it's a downgrade from the other, but still one of the best high-end bike racks. The design is similar to the Sherpa but mostly different from the Easy Fold. The build material is not aluminum this time, it's alloy steel. The product has a maximum load capacity of 120 pounds and 60 pounds for each bike. Wanna hear the best part? The rack takes a maximum tire width of 5 inches, the highest on my list. In terms of the wheel range, it goes from 20 to 29 inches for this product. T2 Pro has 2 tire trays, one for each platform. There are straps for each of them too. THULE T2 Pro XTR comes with a 2x2 shank. In conclusion, it's a nice product, one of the best at the price point. Number 5, the last in our list is the Quat NV 2.0. We've come to the final product on my best tow hitch bike racks list. To finish it off, I've chosen another KUAT 2 bike rack. This one packs a few vital upgrades from the previous KUAT. The overall look of the NV 2.0 is quite similar to the other KUAT. It has the same separate platforms with 2 different horizontal arms. The platforms are cylindrical here, whereas Sherpa has an overall square shape. It comes in 2 different finishes. One is classic all black, and the other is black with red stripes. Another new thing about the rack is that KUAT offers extra bike platforms with this one. This way, you can carry up to 4 bikes if you want. The NV 2.0 has 2 bike platforms. Each of them can carry up to 60 pounds. Hence, the total load capacity is 120 pounds. These can load any tire from 20 to 29 inches in diameter. Maximum tire width of 5 inches ensures you can transport fat tire bikes too. Our product features 2 foldable hooks to hold onto the bike frames. In conclusion, Quat NV 2.0 is a premium hitch bike rack with a load of premium features. It can carry impressive weight, provides optimum security, gives you flexibility, and isn't the most expensive. Now that you've seen our list of the best tow hitch bike racks, do let us know which one you like the most. For more updates and information, don't forget to visit our website towpedia.com. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. Goodbye for today.